Hi, I'm Nathalie, Implementation Specialist at Avantio. I know the idea of migrating your software can bring a few questions. What if something fails? What if I lose bookings? Don't worry. Our process is designed exactly to avoid that. First, we offer you a safe and controlled transition. We will securely import your properties and bookings without the need to disconnect your current software during the process. Plus, our technical team will review your import as a priority. Second, total control at your own pace. We have structured your setup into clear steps so you know exactly what to do. You will also have interactive guides integrated directly into your account. And if you have questions, you will have AI assistance always at hand, giving you precise answers instantly, 24/7, so you never get stuck. And third, we build a solid foundation to scale your business. I and the rest of the team will be with you from start to finish to ensure that when you start receiving bookings, your operations run on autopilot. With this structured process, it is possible to complete the setup and connect the main portals in only 2 weeks. Switching softwares doesn't need to be stressful. It can be that fresh start that your business needs. Talk to our team today with confidence. We're here to support you from day one.